This is the Girnar mountain range, far older than the Everest. Within these ranges lies the ancient forest of Gir. This is the domain of the Asiatic lion. More than 400 of these regal lions roam this forest. But this king of the jungle shares an unusual relationship with his human subjects. Lion and man share this land in peace, respecting each other. A good reason why the lion population is on the rise. For ages, these magnificent inhabitants of the Gir forest have symbolized India's pride. Breathe in their presence. Breathe in a bit of Gujarat.